Hi guys, I'm Kim. I'm a mom of 2 gals. Parker, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And this is Bowie. And we are testing out the new Packa Blix. We're so excited. So much fun. We just got back from our ride. We went, where did we go, Parker? What? We went to Gail's, the bakery. We went to the beach, right? Went by the sand and the ocean. And then we went to Pete's and got some much needed iced tea. And now we're back. And it's super hilly from our house over to Gail's and the beach and everything. And it was so magical having the Blix because it was just easy, right? You guys were awesome passengers and we kept riding. I didn't get tired at all. It was so great. Going up the hills was nothing, even with 2 kids behind me. I'm so in for the Packa.